Alright, ready to make some cookies?
Well, here's how you do it.
Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
Then, in a small bowl, add 2 1/4 cups of flour.
Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
And 1 teaspoon of salt.
Then mix well and set aside. Put 2 sticks of butter in an electric mixer.
And then add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and 3/4 of a cup of white sugar.
Mix well. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
And then, in a separate bowl, crack 2 eggs.
Mix the eggs into the batter.
Then add the flour mixture into the batter, a couple cups at a time, and mix well. Then add 2 cups of chocolate chips and mix.
Next, scoop up the batter in 2 to 3 inch balls and place on the cookie sheet.
Place the cookie sheet in the oven and bake for 9 to 13 minutes.
Take out the cookies and leave them on the counter for 5 minutes.
Then move the cookies to a cooling rack until they are completely cool.
You can enjoy your fresh homemade chocolate chip cookies that you made.